Hey everyone, welcome back to another Check video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can watch English movie free of cost in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So first of all, you have to just go to the App Store, just find the App Store and just tap on App Store. And before to go to the App Store, make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that VPN is not connected. So I have not have a Wi-Fi connection, so I'm gonna connect with my mobile data. So after that, the connection, you just go to the App Store and just go to the taskbar and the search bar and just search the app OSN, just like that, and just plus. And here is the app, you can install it and just watch new movies from that platform. And another app is that the name is Plex. This app is best for the web series. Also, you can watch the web series in that app. You just install it from the Slack, they get it, and here is installing in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And the third app in your iPhone is that is the name is just just watch. Just type it and just search it, and here it will show the app. As you see that there is a just watch movies and TV shows. There is an app, you just install it and watch your favorite movie in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that's the video. Hope you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.